Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to fulfill orders in Squarespace. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Squarespace website right here, squarespace.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you want to go ahead and log into your account. After logging in, you'll be able to access your dashboard. So right here on your dashboard, you'll be able to see all the websites that you own. So what you want to do is open up the websites that you want to fulfill the orders for. So I'm going to open up the website right here by clicking on it. It's going to open it up in a new tab, and now you'll be greeted by the main page where we can find all the options we can access, such as our websites, products, invoicing, and so on. So basically guys, to be able to find all the orders that we have of the orders people have made on our website and to fulfill them, all we have to do is just go to the product section right here, click on products, and basically under products guys, this is now going to open up a new menu, and one of the options is going to be called orders. So what you want to do guys, go ahead and click on orders, and after that guys, it's now going to go ahead and give us a list of all the orders we have. As you can see, we can take a look at all the statuses, the pending orders, fulfilled, and so on. So once you go ahead and clear your statuses of the orders from pending, they're going to be go ahead and put to fulfilled, and you'll know that those orders are finished and you will no longer have to order them and send anything and do anything with them. But basically this is where you can find all that section for your orders. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.